To create a Chime account in Nigeria, you need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have the necessary requirements, which include a valid government-issued identification card and a mobile phone number. Next, download the Chime mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be required to provide some personal details, including your name, date of birth, and address. After providing the required information, you will need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued identification card. This can be a national identity card, driver's license, or international passport. Once your identity has been verified, you will be required to link your bank account to your Chime account. This will enable you to fund your Chime account and make transactions. To link your bank account, you will need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. You will also be required to verify your bank account by entering a code that will be sent to your mobile phone number. After successfully linking your bank account, you will be able to fund your Chime account and start making transactions. You can fund your account by transferring money from your linked bank account or by using a debit card. It is essential to note that Chime is a US-based financial institution and may have restrictions on transactions in Nigeria. Therefore, it is crucial to review the terms and conditions of the Chime account before creating an account. In addition to the above steps, it is also important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection and a compatible mobile device to use the Chime app. By following these steps, you can easily create a Chime account in Nigeria and start enjoying the benefits of mobile banking. However, it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks and limitations of using a US-based financial institution in Nigeria.